Wings are a favorite in our house, not just for Saturday football, but for weeknights, busy weeknights. I love to make them because they're so quick. I love really crunchy, crispy wings with tons of flavor. So this recipe is my lemon thyme chicken wing recipe, and super simple. Tons of lemon juice, lemon zest, fresh thyme, olive oil, a little cayenne pepper, onions, and marinate in a bag overnight. And then we just simply put them on a rack and roast them in the oven. So let me show you how. These have been marinating overnight. So once I get them all on the sheet tray, I'm gonna use some of that great marinade that it's been soaking in, and I'm gonna pour it all over. As you can see, I have not used parchment paper, I'm using aluminum foil, and this will enable me to be able to roast them in the oven for about 30 minutes on 350, and then I'm gonna turn the broiler on for the last 3 to 5 minutes to get them really crispy. And then I'm gonna finish them with some chopped green onions. Perfect for snacking, game day, all the above. Zesty and woodsy all at the same time. Delicious.